National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Callaway County in western Kentucky, southeastern Graves County in western Kentucky until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lineville, or 12 miles east of Fulton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lineville, Harris Grove, Dukedom, and Crossland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Callaway, Kentucky,